In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. If you've set up a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online and no longer need it, the good news is that removing it is a very quick process. This can be helpful if a scheduled invoice, expense, or other repeating entry is no longer relevant, or if you simply want to clean up your recurring transaction list and avoid future confusion. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to click so you can delete it confidently. To begin, make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account and you're on the main dashboard. Once you're there, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps a variety of settings and tools, including the lists you'll need to manage your account. After clicking the gear icon, look for the option labeled All Lists and select it. This section brings together several important lists used throughout QuickBooks, so if you've never explored it before, this is a useful place to know about for future account management as well. Next, from the available list options, click Recurring Transactions. This will open the page where all of your saved recurring templates are stored. On this screen, you'll be able to see the recurring transactions you've created, which makes it easier to find the specific one you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct transaction, especially if you have several with similar names or schedules. Once you've found the recurring transaction you want to delete, click the caret icon next to that transaction. This will open a small drop-down menu with additional actions you can take. From that menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will then ask you to confirm the deletion. This extra confirmation step is important because it helps prevent accidental removals. If you're sure this is the recurring transaction you no longer want, go ahead and confirm the action. And there you go. The recurring transaction will be deleted from your list. That's all it takes to remove a recurring transaction in QuickBooks Online. It's a simple task, but knowing where to find these settings can save you time and help keep your records organized. If you're managing multiple recurring entries, it's always a good idea to review them carefully before deleting, just to make sure you're removing the right one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.